DIY decorators and all you Easter bunnies out there. Today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful marbled Easter eggs. And we're using Easy Marble from Marabou. Now these eggs are so beautiful, you'll want to leave them out all year long, so just put them in a glass bowl, stick them on your coffee table, and enjoy. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some marbled Easter eggs. You can use any kind of plastic Easter egg for this project. The lighter the color, the better. Make sure you slowly submerge your egg so that there's even coverage of the Easy Marble. It's really important to wipe the excess Easy Marble away from the surface of the water before you raise your egg, or you won't get perfect marbling. Darn it, the one thing I didn't try was twisting the eggs as I submerged them. So if one of you tries it, let me know how they turn out. These eggs would look great in a glass bowl, or attach a ribbon and hang them on your indoor ficus tree. I'm gonna leave a link to Marabou and everything I used for this project in the description of this video. Switch out whatever you can't find, but I'll leave a link to everything I used. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.